So we're going to do a half double crochet. So you'll have a foundation row, so that might just be chains, or it might be a single crochet row or a double crochet, but you'll have to start with something first. Now if you're going to do a half double crochet, what you're going to do is pretend like you're doing a double crochet. And if you don't know how to do that yet, then you'll learn that as well. But for now, to do a half double crochet, you're going to go into this first stitch here after your row from below. So what you'll do probably is chain 2 to start, or you'll have 2 chains. Then you're going to yarn over just like that, and then go into your stitch and pull up a loop. So you'll have 3 loops on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over again, and then you're going to pull that yarn through all 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, just like that. That is a half double crochet. So let's do that again. Yarn over, go into this your stitch, your next stitch, pull up a loop. So you'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3 of those. Again, yarn over, go into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3, just like that. So that is all there is to a half double crochet. So I will leave you to that. Once you get to the end of your row, and if you want to do another row of half double crochets, I will show you how to do that. I'm just working a little bit faster so I can get to the end of the row. Let's move that so you can see. So this is my final stitch here. I'm going to do the same thing and do a half double crochet stitch just like that. Now if I want to work another row of half double crochets, I'm going to chain 2, so that's yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, so that's 2 chains, then turn your work, and then into this same, or the stitch here after your chains is where you will work your half double crochet. So just yarn over and pull up that loop, yarn over and pull through all 3. So yarn over, there you go. That is your half double crochet.